One of the biggest pain points for beginners with 360 is the editing and reframing of their 360 clips. But with this latest update, editing your 360 clips will be easier than ever before. It's all thanks to the improvements that have been made with the AI, which now more effectively recognizes interactions between people and objects, and it's better at highlighting the most important parts of your scene. And it now includes a movement algorithm which makes your edits even better and more professional looking. And you can use the new movement feature in the AI editor, but you can also use it in the Pro editor as well and add the movements manually. The AI can now identify more easily the scene that it's capturing. So whereas before, if I was interacting with my dogs, the AI might just create some generic movements and highlight some random parts of the scene, it now recognizes different parts of the scene in order to build more of a story when it edits these clips together. So with these shots here, as you swipe through the clips the AI has created, you have the selfie view, the forward point of view, an animal playtime shot, and 3 more additional animal shots, and also a companion shot because the AI has recognized that there are 2 dogs together. The AI already created a mini video from the clips that it saw as the highlights, but I can also select all of these clips that it missed and then press Auto AI again here. And of course you can switch the aspect ratio between 9:16, 16:9 and 1:1. The shot that I used here was only 50 seconds, and if you want the AI to give you the best possible results, then ideally you'll use shots that are longer than 1 minute long. But this clip does prove that the AI can work with shorter clips as well. And if you go to the other extreme, with this train shot for example, this was a 7-minute long sequence which took 5 minutes to analyze. So it takes longer to analyze, and actually the result wasn't very good. The video the AI created had a lot of repetition, so the key here in my opinion is to shoot less and have shorter clips. So with this tree shot, I select the AI at the top, I then select the brain icon, and the AI then analyzes the shot and it chooses which parts of the shot it considers to be the highlights. It then puts them into a sequence, reframes them, and adds music. Here it created 2 clips and joined them together. And if you select the clips, it's given me a selfie and a forward point of view and then an architecture shot, which was the tree itself, which it didn't use in the final edit. And here's another quick biking example, and again it's simple. It creates a selfie view, a point of view shot and a scenic view. For these clips I think the AI does an okay job. It could be better, but I like the fact that it keeps it simple. And once it's created your video, you can then export it from here. But if you have more time and you want to make adjustments to the video, then you can do that easily. You can select edit, and then you can change the theme, which will change how the clips are edited together, as well as the titles of the clips. And you have all these to choose from, and each one presents the video and edits the video in a slightly different way. And you can select music at the bottom here to change the music track. If we select edit again, you can then fine tune the reframes that the AI has given you. So select edit and then select movement, then you can make any adjustments to the reframed image. And when you make the adjustments, you're then prompted to update the angle here. And you can also make changes to the movement that the AI has chosen to use in the clip. And there are 40 movements to choose from. Once you've selected your movement, press the tick icon when you're finished, and then you can adjust the next clip. The really cool thing is that the movement feature has also been introduced to the Pro editor as well, and you can add a movement just like you can a keyframe. So select the clip that you want to edit and then select Pro at the top. Select add a keyframe, but instead of moving the clip around and reframing it, you simply select movement here, and then the shot will automatically add whichever movement you choose onto the timeline. And you can add one movement and then reframe the rest of your clip as normal, or you can add different movements one after the other. I didn't shoot any new clips in this video. All the shots were stuff that I'd previously filmed. So this means if you've got footage sat on your hard drive or on your phone that you haven't got round to editing yet, then now is the best and easiest time to get on and do it. Remember to check out my new 360 course here, which takes you from beginner to pro. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.